Wera continues to take tool design to the next level with clever upgrades built for real-world performance. From longer ratcheting spanners that provide extra reach with less strain, to compact modular kits that keep essential tools organized and ready. This lineup focuses on making every task faster and easier. Whether you're dealing with mechanical assembly, tight installation spaces, or everyday maintenance work, these updated tools deliver the speed, comfort, and reliability you need when it matters most. Let's get started.
The ToolCheck Modular Set 1 feels like an ideal everyday partner for maintenance and service jobs. This modular kit packs a range of core tools into a single, organized package that stays flexible and ready for anything. It's built so you can set up exactly what a task calls for and nothing more. Inside, you'll find a well-chosen mix of drivers, sockets, and bits covering the fastener types you run into most during installs and repairs. Quick swap modular holders let you exchange pieces fast and securely, cutting down on time wasted hunting for the right tool and boosting overall output. Every component feels rugged in the hand and built to take daily wear. Bits and sockets use clear color coding and labeling to speed up identification when moving between fasteners. The compact case stays tidy even after long, demanding days on site and fits neatly with other accessory systems for easy transport.
This is the tool that catches people off guard the first time they use it. Slide it onto a nut and it automatically matches the size. That one motion usually says everything. That's the Joker 6004 VDE set. 4 winches span sizes from 7 to 19 millimeters and 1/4 inch to 3/4 inches. No fiddling, no measuring, just place it and turn. The jaws grip tightly, cutting down on slipping and protecting fastener edges. Inside the head, a ratcheting mechanism lets you keep turning without lifting the tool off. A 30-degree swing angle makes it useful in tight areas around bus bars or cabinet frames. Parallel jaw alignment helps avoid marking coated or finished surfaces, which matters when working on finished hardware. Every wrench is insulated and rated to 10,000 volts. It might look unusual next to a regular spanner, but it feels fast and natural after just a little use. For electricians who often deal with gland nuts or mounting hardware, this set boosts speed without cutting corners on safety. Now we get into territory where precision really counts. The click-torque lock range feels sturdy and dependable once you've dialed in the setting you need. Set the torque value, tighten the fastener, and listen for that familiar click. That combination of sound and feel confirms you've hit the target, helping you avoid over-tightened joints or stripped threads. The lineup runs from small 1/4 inch drives handling 2.5 to 25 Newton meters, up to 1/2 inch models reaching 200 Newton meters. The standout feature is the torque lock function. Switched off, the wrench acts like a normal ratchet, so you can loosen stubborn fasteners without stressing the internal torque mechanism. Some models also apply torque in both directions, adding flexibility for trickier assembly work. These aren't VDE insulated, but electricians still rely on them regularly for securing rails, enclosures, and structural hardware before a system goes live. The build quality feels professional and clearly meant for heavy daily use on tough job sites. This set feels tactile and responsive right from the start. The ball grip shape changes how force travels through your hand. The rounded handle allows for natural downward push, making it easier to free stuck screws without twisting your wrist awkwardly. Several screwdrivers use laser-etched tips that bite into screw heads more firmly, cutting down on cam-out during high-torque work. The set also includes a chisel-tipped driver with a through blade and impact cap, handy for light chiseling or breaking loose seized fasteners. Most tools in the set are VDE insulated, keeping it suitable for electrical work. Everything fits into a rugged belt pouch, giving you quick access on ladders or elevated platforms. Overall, it feels practical and functional rather than flashy. Here's the Joker 6006, and it cuts down on that clutter significantly. You get 2 double open-end wrenches that together span 7 to 19 millimeters and 1/4 to 3/4 inch. Solid coverage from just 2 tools. The jaws adjust themselves the moment they land on a nut. No guessing, no manual setup needed. Once locked on, the grip stays firm, reducing slippage and protecting fastener edges. Both ends include a ratcheting mechanism, so you can keep turning without pulling the tool off. The swing angle sits around 30 degrees, which comes in handy in tight panel frames or installation points. It's not insulated, so it's better suited to mechanical work before things go live. A folding pouch keeps everything compact and easy to carry. For electricians hoping to trim down their toolkit without losing versatility, this feels like a genuinely useful upgrade. Next up is the Wera Kraftform Kompakt 100, the ultimate grab-and-go screwdriving kit, fitting 52 essential pieces into a tough, surface-friendly textile case. Wera has carefully put this kit together to handle nearly any fastening job. It comes with a wrap adapter bit holder for fast one-handed bit changes, whether you're using the Kraftform handle or a power drill. You get 30 bi-torsion bits made for long life and broad use, plus 12 heavy-duty impactor bits built to survive the force of impact drivers. On top of that, Wera throws in 8 Hex Plus L keys. The Hex Plus shape is great because it gives a wider contact area inside the screw head, helping prevent hex screws from rounding out. Compact, thorough, and seriously durable, the Kraftform Kompakt 100 is a powerhouse kit for anyone always on the move. The Joker 6007 feels deliberate the moment you pick it up. That extra length isn't accidental. This longer wrench set goes beyond typical reach, giving you more leverage while putting less strain on your wrist. That added reach really pays off when fasteners sit deep inside frames, housings, or mounting channels. One end has an open jaw with a holding feature. Hardened teeth on the metal plate clamp the nut firmly, cutting down on slippage when you're working overhead or inside cabinets. The other end carries an 80-tooth ring ratchet. Because of the fine tooth count, the swing angle stays very tight, which helps when there's barely any room around the fastener. The two-sided hex jaw setup shrinks the working angle even further, so you rarely need to flip the tool. Made from chrome molybdenum steel with a nickel chrome finish, it holds up well against corrosion. When a ratchet set feels made for serious tasks, this is it. The Cyclop set pairs a tough ratcheting mechanism with a balanced drive that feels confidence-inspiring from the first turn. Built around a 3/8-inch drive, the ratchet head has an easy direction switch that lets you reverse rotation instantly. Inside, a fine-tooth setup keeps the swing angle small, letting you keep working even in cramped spots behind panels or inside enclosures. The sockets cover the most commonly needed metric sizes, and each one clicks firmly onto the drive so it stays put even in awkward positions. Toughness runs through the whole set. Next is a tool that offers real versatility, almost working like an all-in-one screwdriver. The Kraftform Kompakt 20 RAR looks conventional at first. Tucked inside the handle are 6 bi-torsion bits, always on hand. A built-in ratchet speeds things up during extended screwdriving. There's also a free spin function for quick turning when there's little resistance. The extendable blade changes how the tool works. Shortened, it reaches deeply set screws with ease. Extended, it acts like a full-length screwdriver. Removed entirely, it turns into a bit holder for power tools. The wrap adapter chuck allows fast bit changes while keeping a firm hold. This flexibility cuts down on tool swapping and keeps work moving smoothly. It isn't VDE insulated, so it's meant for de-energized work, but for assembly and maintenance tasks, it offers real adaptability. This tool feels made for demanding high-torque jobs in live electrical settings. The 410i VDE BRA's insulated T-handle shape lets you spread force evenly across both hands. That setup is especially handy when tightening larger fasteners inside switchboards or power panels. It runs on a 3/8-inch square drive with a ball lock system that keeps sockets firmly attached during use. Inside, a fine-tooth ratchet gives a 4.5-degree swing angle, keeping you moving forward even in the tightest spaces. A nice touch is the free-turning sleeve near the head. A bit of finger pressure adds enough resistance for the ratchet to engage, even when the fastener has almost no load on it. The tool is tested to 10,000 volts and rated for use up to 1,000 volts.
This one steps slightly outside standard electrical fastening work, but it's a big help in HVAC and installation support jobs. The 9530 torque wrench kit centers on the Click Torque X7, covering a range of 10 to 100 Newton meters with about 4% accuracy. One especially useful feature on site is the QR code printed on the wrench. Scanning it automatically works out the right torque based on insert tool length, cutting out manual math errors. The kit also includes 3 self-adjusting Joker insert wrenches, spanning 16 to 32 millimeters. They automatically match the fastener size, so there's no manual setup needed. The ratchet mechanism gives a smooth 30-degree swing angle, easing work in tight mechanical spaces. It isn't VDE insulated though, so it shouldn't go near live electrical systems. Still, for HVAC installs and controlled mechanical fastening, this kit feels remarkably accurate and reliable for daily field work.
For bike mechanics and cycling fans, Wera offers the 9532 Chain Riveter Workshop Set. This 20-piece kit covers chain maintenance thoroughly, all packed into a sturdy folding pouch. The centerpiece is the chain riveter and holder, featuring a swappable riveting pin that opens and closes bicycle chains with ease, working on anything from single-speed up to 12-speed setups. Wera also knows riveter alone isn't enough. The set includes the Chain Master Link pliers for fast link removal, plus the handy Cyclop Mini 1-bit ratchet and an 816R bit holder. With a curated set of 89mm and 25mm bits covering hex, Torx, and Phillips types, this kit has you covered for drivetrain work. It's compact, well-made, and a genuine essential for any serious bike workshop.
Closing out our Wera roundup is the genuinely clever Cyclop Pocket. Picture combining the versatility of a ratchet with the convenience of a multi-bit screwdriver, then shrinking it down to pocket size. That's this tool exactly. It uses a magnetic direct mounting system that takes both 3/8-inch sockets and 1/4-inch bits without needing adapters. The freely pivoting ratchet head locks at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, and 90 degrees, letting you use it as a regular ratchet or a straight screwdriver. Inside the handle sits a captive, freely rotating magazine holding 12 essential bits, so you're always ready. Despite the small size, the fine 72-tooth reversible ratchet gives a tight 5-degree swing angle and handles solid torque. The Cyclop Pocket is a clever, space-saving hybrid tool you'll keep reaching for. And that's everything for today. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tool reviews, comparisons, and exciting new gear.